Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about ADA. If you didn't see my last video on ADA, I'm gonna put it up here for you, yeah? So go and watch it. That video is primarily for long-term investors. Now, before we begin, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and that's going to support me a lot. Now, what is happening with ADA short term? So as you can see here, I'm using the daily. We're going to zoom in. So short term, by short term I mean in the following few days, yes. So as you can see, now what is happening is that ADA went down, yeah, it went down, and now after this high is going down again, yes. So what is happening basically is that we're moving sideways, yes, we're trying to find the bottom, we're trying to understand where the bottom is, and as I said so many times in the past, the bottom is this area. Anywhere between 1.1 and basically now 0.9 is our bottom, yes. Is the area where we should buy, or we should actually feel a little bit safer. So what is happening now is that I've been adding this line to the chart, yes, which is the primary trend right now. I mean, it's not actually the primary trend, it's more like a secondary trend. So it's a secondary trend that we're following, yet as you can see, it is actually bullish, yes. So what is going to happen is that now we're going to find resistance soon. This line is not the most accurate one, but it doesn't really matter, yes. What matters is the fact that we're finding a resistance here. As you can see, there is this sort of double bottom here, yes, which is going to push the price a little bit higher, maybe even to make a double top formation. So most likely the price will increase a little bit more, and that's because, as you can see in the stock RSI, we just started to get overbought, which means that this is going to move a little bit sideways here, and the price is going to increase. And in the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the price is going back up in my stock RSI, which means that we still have a little bit of push related to the price. So what is going to happen now is that the price is going to increase a little bit more, break through resistance, and then maybe go back. It depends how bullish we are, yes. It could go back to 1.1 or even above that, so 1.16. We need to see, yes. But anyway, I'm quite confident saying that really short term we're going a little bit higher in price, and that's not too bad. Another thing which I would like to say is that at some point we're going to see another bottom, yes. Now, for ADA, if let's say ADA is going back to 1.12, yes, this is an example. Then if it drops, yeah, most likely we can find support in two areas. The first one is on our resistance, which is going to be at, let's say, $1 basically. And the other one is going to be as 0.99, 0.98, anywhere on this secondary trend. So we know that we have 2 points of support level, we know we're not in a bad position, and we know our secondary trend is a bullish trend. So the situation is not bad. As we can see, if we zoom out really quick in the daily, we're getting closer and closer to the oversold area on the stock RSI. So short term I wouldn't worry too much. You just need to be careful, because at the moment we are playing a little bit with fire. Why is that? Because people are not 100% sure of where the market is now, and even on the RSI, and this is the last thing I'm going to say, is that as you can see on the RSI is telling me two things. It's telling me that this was the bottom, we went up, down, then we found support again, now we're going up, down, and then we're going back down again, yes. So at some point we are going to see a correction in price. We're going to see another low, which we don't need to be as scared of, because we're expecting that. Now if I try to pull some sort of super level on this, we can see that it is going back on this line at some point, yes. So this is the first low, second low, and then there is going to be a third low, and I think there is going to be a double bottom formation here. So I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting the RSI to lose a little bit of momentum and to decrease, and that's gonna be the last the last dip, I believe. So the situation is not too bad, guys. I would just like to ask you to be careful. Yes, don't put too much money in. And if you are good at trading, at investing, then you should definitely give it a chance. And if you don't feel really confident about whatever you're doing now, first of all, I would like to invite you to study a little bit more. And secondly, wait for the price to decrease once again in order to get it at a cheaper price. So this is it for today, guys. I would like to remind you once more to subscribe. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow.